and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to make an RDP remote access connection to a Windows virtual machine. To do so, head on over to an active deployment run with a Windows host. You can find an active deployment run under the Runs section of the main menu. On the Runs overview page, scroll on down to the host in question and click the Connect button, or click on the virtual host for more information. Here you will find the various host options, the logs, and the credentials needed to access the virtual machine. Click the Connect button. We recommend connecting directly from the browser, but you will have the option to download the RDP file and use a remote desktop client. You can connect to your Windows machine through a standard RDP remote access connection or through a custom RDP connection. This will involve different credentials than the ones seen on the host options page. And you can also enter the email address of a fellow project member that you would like to share your session with. Once you have selected the type of connection, hit Connect, and you will be logged into the machine using the credentials you established when launching the deployment run. If a Windows domain was configured during launch, you will have to provide additional credentials, and in that case, you may need to reach out to your project manager or to the owner of this deployment run. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.